Hi everyone, welcome to WealthScienceX. I'm Tony.
I'm Jamal.
Hey everyone, it's just been a wild week in the market. Kind of crashed, not gonna lie. I did lose a solid chunk of money, but again, buy low, sell high. I didn't buy anything new in the market this week. I did pick up some cryptocurrency, and I'm gonna go through that in this video.
So on Friday, I picked up some stocks for a swing for next week just based on the technicals on the NASDAQ. We're going to go through the technicals in a few just to see what I saw and what we can expect for the next couple weeks. And then also what we want to also take into account is how are we going to prepare for a market crash, and what are the levels that I'm watching where I'm going to go all in cash and just take a couple weeks off and have the market do its thing, because right now we're in no man's land, Tony. We can either go through a monster rally, or it can come down a significant chunk.
Yep. And everyone, before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and join our trading Discord. Our trading Discord is just a live trading community. We've got live traders, technical analysis, and more. And stay tuned and let's get into the video.
So everyone, I wanted to start with some technical analysis on the NASDAQ. Right now, the last couple weeks, we had a nasty sell-off from the all-time highs. We were at 13,900 on the NQ, which is the NASDAQ futures. We had a nasty sell-off. We found some support at the 100-day moving average, which is the line in blue. We bounced off of it. We failed at the 50-day average, which is the line in yellow, and we've come back to retest the 100-day average. And on Friday, we had a really nice rally towards the end of the day. So we found some heavy support at the 100-day so far, and buyers are always stepping in. And that's what I was looking at. Thursday was an interesting day. So Thursday, you can see we formed like a hammer on the daily. And this is where
Looks like a red Thor's hammer.
Yep, exactly, Tony. And this is a good kind of indication that buyers stepped in. And Friday was a day that I was watching because I didn't want this to be a false flag and end up going into position on Thursday and then just having it sell off on Friday. So you always want to be patient in these scenarios, especially when the market's downtrending. And what I like about the current setup is, since this nasty sell-off, right now we've, put in a higher low if this holds up. So a higher low on the NASDAQ, Tony, like it is a good place to open up a position, because I can at least expect the NASDAQ to try to bounce back to the 50-day average. And, maybe we can break it this time. And that's what I'm looking at, Tony, for kind of the technical setup.
Nice.
And what I did was I bought a lot of tech stocks on Friday. So I bought some BIDU. BIDU was really hit on Friday. It was down 12%. So if you look at BIDU, Tony, on Friday there was some news that came out that some of the hedge funds were selling massive blocks in BIDU, and we just had a nasty sell-off. It was down 12%, and I did pick up BIDU at the lows at 175. I opened up a call position just because, I think a lot of people sold out because of fear. But I think, this was just a typical sell the news event, and, we could at least expect a rally in BIDU over the next couple of days. So I just opened up a position, and so far I'm up 100% since my Friday purchase. So this is looking good. I also, opened up some positions in Tesla. I like Tesla just because of the $600 support level that we always tend to bounce at. So anytime the stock goes to 600, people are always stepping in to buy. And as long as we hold 600, I'm comfortable buying Tesla. I bought it at, I believe,
Did you see Kathy Wood's projection on Tesla?
Yeah, the 3,000. I think that's, that's kind of insane. But it's if Tesla can, fully become the dominant EV auto company and also be an energy company and provide solar for customers, I think Tesla can be the most valuable company. But it's going to take some work, Tony. It's not going to be as easy as Kathy thinks it's going to be. So I bought Tesla at 619. Right now it's at 621. I'm expecting a bounce back maybe to 650. I know this chart might look messy, but this is the chart I work with. Right now, you can see there's a lot of technical levels I'm looking at, but I'm expecting at least a bounce back to the 650 range. This has been a range where, we've sold off heavily from. So maybe this time we can find some buyers and put in a new low. And maybe over the next couple weeks, try to get back to the $700 level, which we were at last week. And I also picked up just some two really risky call options for Tesla for next week. These are the April 1st 700 call. Right now they're up. But I expect, if we can get some really heavy buying into next week, Tesla will have a massive move.
That's a massive sell-off, red wick on that candlestick there.
Yep. And some of the other stocks I picked up, I really like Square. I think Square, anytime it was like close to the low 200s, it's always bounced back. So I picked it up at 211. Another stock that I like right now is Invitae. Invitae was one of the stocks that I, discussed in last week's video. This week, it provided a nice opportunity to go long. So I picked up some call options. They're currently up 32%, and they don't expire till May 21. So I have, 55 days for this to play out, and I think we bounced off of a level that has a lot of good support. So, if you've watched last week's video and, this is just proof to why I picked up the stock and why I was watching it. And, the position is up nicely so far. And, I have a long way for this contract to play out.
All right, hey everyone. So just wanted to kind of take a deep dive on what I did this week. I didn't pick up anything new in the stock market, but I did pick up cryptocurrency. Again, I do work full time, a lot of hours. So cryptocurrency for me, after hours trading is great. So this is one coin that I picked up. It's called Storage. It's actually newly listed on Coinbase. It's basically a blockchain cloud storage solutions. You can rent out or whatever. You can earn coins based on extra hard drive space. They've got their own software called Tardigrade. So if you want to learn more about storage, you can check that out on Coinbase. But I did pick this coin up. I definitely see value in it. So just looking at the 1 year chart, we're up 2,200% in the last year. Again, if you want to check out their website, it's a pretty legit company. They're based in California. But I really believe that the future of cloud, just about everything on the internet, is going to be through the blockchain. Storage is available on Coinbase too. If you want to learn about cryptocurrency and also make some free money, you can go on Coinbase and take their quizzes. You can just earn free money essentially, and knowledge. So it's kind of a win-win. Highly recommend that you check this out on Coinbase. One more thing too I want to cover, everyone. Our website is constantly updated once a week, our latest video. If you want to check out our profit loss from our Discord trades, you can check that out as well. That is available. We're pretty transparent about everything. And if you want to schedule some one-on-one time with us, we do have a Calendly.
Hey everyone, so Cookie's joining us for the outro. Cookie's a Basenji. She's 1 year old. So just a quick recap of the video. We're expecting a bounce for tech for next week, just based on the 100-day average that we were able to maintain. And the 10-year yield has come down from 1.7. So as long as, we don't rally back in the 10-year yield, I think tech will start gaining some momentum.
My plans this week include just kind of watching closely over my assets. I am probably going to pick up some more cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency seems to be hot. I'm really calling a really big bull run for cryptocurrency this year.
We're still in no man's land. We can have a major news event comes out next week and the market might crash or at least correct another 10% in no time. So you always want to be careful about, the news and what's happening in the world as an economy. And, we hope you guys are prepared for that and your portfolios are kept safe.
And if you want to buy your first crypto, we do offer a free ebook when you join our trading Discord. So make sure you get the free ebook and join the free Discord and buy your first crypto. And we'll see you next week.